Today, my people, we doing some juicy, tender, smoky chicken thighs. Boy, they gonna be so good. And we use McCormick Grill Mates chipotle pepper seasoning. So let's get into it and get it done. So we gonna take the people on a real simple journey today. Look at what we got. McCormick Grill Mates chipotle pepper marinade. 15-minute marinade, they say, for 2 pounds of protein. 3 pounds of chicken thighs here. So this is usually salty, so the extra pound of meat should handle that. Say 15-minute marinade, and I'm not going to believe the 15-minute part. So I'm going to let it marinate maybe 3 to 4 hours, while I cook something else. We're going to see how simple this is going to come out. Y'all know I usually don't do this. I'm usually a razzler, dazzler from scratch and everything like that. But we just gonna try this and let's see what it do. All right, we're gonna start with this. And we're gonna go ahead and just lay it out like that. And then the directions say, mix marinade with oil and water in a bowl. Reserve 2 tablespoons of marinade for basting. And to add 2 tablespoons of lime juice, I'm gonna do that. Oh yeah, okay. So a 1/4 cup of oil and a 1/4 cup of water. We're not using water. We're gonna use some white vinegar. Boom, got a 1/4 cup of that. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup of olive oil, which I'm gonna eyeball. Bam, there we go. And always my favorite here. And I gotta have lime and everything. They didn't have to tell me that. Let's take it up a notch, y'all. Let's do the viral thing that's going around. What they doing at Chipotle now, baby? Honey chipotle chicken. So that was about 2 tablespoons of honey there. Hey, it don't smell bad. For something, really simple and quick. I think that is enough there, y'all. I ain't mad at it, Look at that, It looks pretty glistening here with the seasonings and everything. And we throw it on that smoker, with some hickory smoke. See what it do. Like I said, I'm gonna let it go for about 3-4 hours. And I'll be back. And we're gonna go outside, y'all. It's a nice day. And let's get it cracking. Give it a nice wrap. And I see you folks outside. Got my Kingsford Pro charcoal. I want to get it hot. Not super hot, about 350 to 375, something like that, for chicken. And then just a little simple piece of post oak wood right here. So that's it. That's all we doing. Let me go in, let this run for a couple of minutes and get that chicken. All right. How long I had these marinating, baby? About 4 hours.
4 hours.
Ah, ooh. Ooh, it's smelling good. I'm gonna go skin side down first. We're about 400 degrees on here?
Yeah.
So it's hot. Yeah, y'all hear it sizzling. All right, it shouldn't take too long. I got it rolling, so I'm gonna get about half an hour. Come flip it. See you in 30. Great. 30 minutes. Let's take a look-see. I like the way that look. So let's see what the other side is looking like. Okay. I can live with that. Okay, we should be good. Right in another 30 minutes. Hour total. Got it rolling at 400. All right, see you in a half an hour. 30 minutes, 1 hour total. Come on. Come on now. All right, we there. Because even the directions say on these thighs from Costco, it say take it past, but take it up to at least 185. We got ours up to 190 degrees for maximum juiciness. Man, I like the way that's looking. Now it's got the look, babe.
Yeah, that looks
Now we gotta see if it's gonna have that taste. You know, grill mates may be a cheat code. Let's go eat. Well, honey, it certainly got that look.
It sure
Now,
does.
look at these. Yeah, I'm gonna go for the darkie here.
Ah!
Oh, all right. Let's see. See if McCormick know what they doing.
Ooh. Ooh-wee.
Mmm.
What you think about that seasoning?
Of course, me doing it. Of course, doing it from scratch is best. But this right here, I'm not mad at it. You know, in a pinch and you're just feeling lazy, it's got full of flavor, baby.
Oh, shoot.
I'll definitely use it again when I just want to get on outside and grill and cue real quick. And I'm not worried about, say, all right, let me go ahead and mix up, marinade, and all that stuff. This here, to just do it real fast. Only thing I would probably do different, I'll probably do overnight. But yeah, y'all see how juicy it is. But yeah, y'all give this a shot. When you're in a pinch and you just want to add a little extra flavor to your barbecue, try out those little marinades. Peace. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.